Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make croissant donuts. First, prepare your croissant dough. This involves creating layers of butter within the dough through a process called lamination. Use high-quality, cold butter, about 250 grams, and fold it into the dough multiple times. Remember to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes between each fold. This crucial step ensures those flaky, airy layers we all love. Once your dough is perfectly laminated, roll it out to a consistent thickness, roughly 1/4 inch. Use a 3-inch round cutter to create your donut shapes, and don't forget the smaller hole in the center. Arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now, let them proof in a warm, humid environment for about 1 to 2 hours, or until they've doubled in size and are light and airy. It's time to fry. Heat a neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil to exactly 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Remove them and drain on a wire rack. While still warm, dip them in your favorite glaze, perhaps a classic vanilla or cinnamon sugar. Now for the fun part, toppings. Get creative with melted chocolate, colorful sprinkles, toasted nuts, or even a dusting of powdered sugar. These croissant donuts are best enjoyed fresh, so gather your friends and family to share your delicious creations. They are a delightful treat for any occasion. Also, if you love to read, check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.